A decision is looming. Dr. Frederic van Lintig and nurse Danielle Pasqua are expected to learn on Monday whether they will be tried for manslaughter in the death of 24-year-old Elisa Serna. Serna's family has been inside the courtroom every day of the hearing.
We're still finding out new things, about the case and what happened to Elisa.
Elisa's mother, Paloma, says it's been heartbreaking and frustrating to hear firsthand accounts of her daughter's death and to see video she says she's never seen of Elisa's last moments inside a cell at Las Colinas detention facility. She says the moment in the courtroom when an attorney thought the video was frozen is telling.
And he thought the video was frozen because the nurse is doing nothing. She's just staring down on Elisa as she was dying.
Her attorney says testimony from Pasqua's supervisor proves she followed protocol.
In order to show criminal negligence, you need to show a disregard for human life or a high degree that your behavior is going to cause great bodily injury or death. And we have the director of nursing testifying today that my client followed protocol. That the way that this particular individual, while it's very sad that Ms. Serna passed away, that it wasn't the fault of my client.
The case is being watched closely by activists who also attended Thursday night's meeting of CLRB, the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board.
Transparency is very important, even right now what's being said in the preliminary hearing.
Paloma was also at the meeting to hear an update on Senate Bill 219, proposed legislation that would make law enforcement release all records after an in-custody death and expand oversight in jails. The meeting follows the deaths of 2 more inmates this week, both at local hospitals.
Last year, when we broke our record, we were at 10 deaths. This year, we're at 8. We're in crisis.
Yusuf Miller of the North County Justice and Equity Coalition was there to support the bill, too.
People are suffering. People are losing their lives unnecessarily.
Miller says this bill will be Elisa's legacy.
AB 268 is named after the Saving Lives in Custody campaign, and that is all inspired by Elisa Serna.
Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.